Welcome to my channel. Please showing my top 5 best products review.
Product review number 1.
Gopless Outdoor Storage Box, 100-gallon waterproof resin patio storage box. As an avid outdoor enthusiast, I understand the importance of having reliable and spacious storage solutions for all my patio and garden essentials. That's why I highly recommend the Gopless Outdoor Storage Box. With its impressive 100-gallon capacity, this waterproof resin patio storage box is perfect for keeping your pillows, cushions, garden tools, toys, and more neatly organized. One of the standout features of this storage box is its durability. Prior to investigating the different choices accessible, there are a couple of variables to consider. The lockable lid adds an extra layer of security, protecting your valuable patio and pool accessories from loss or damage. Plus, the side handles make it convenient to lift and move the box wherever you need it.
Product review number 2.
East Oak 100-gallon large deck box, outdoor storage box. Introducing the East Oak 100-gallon large deck box, the perfect solution for decluttering your outdoor space. With its spacious 100-gallon capacity, this deck box provides ample storage for your patio furniture, cushions, gardening tools, pool supplies, and more. Crafted from high-quality resin material, this deck box is designed to withstand outdoor conditions and protect your belongings. It is waterproof and UV resistant, with UV protection up to 1000 SGS, ensuring that it won't bend, fade, or break over time. The box also comes with a lockable feature, providing added security for your items. Plus, you'll receive an extra zinc alloy padlock for free. Not only is this deck box functional, but it also doubles as a stylish seat or patio table, making it a versatile addition to your outdoor space. The hydraulic rod design ensures safe and easy opening and closing, so you don't have to worry about smashed fingers.
Product review number 3.
Behr Deck Box, 100-gallon outdoor storage box. Introducing the Behr Deck Box, a versatile outdoor storage solution that combines functionality with style. With a generous capacity of 100 gallons, this deck box provides ample space to store all your outdoor essentials, from gardening supplies and pool toys to patio cushions and more. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to an organized oasis. One of the standout features of this deck box is its multi-functionality. The flat-top design allows it to double as a convenient bench or table, capable of supporting up to 660 pounds. Whether you need an extra seating option or a surface to place your drinks and snacks, this deck box has got you covered. Constructed with waterproof and UV-resistant PP material, this deck box is built to last. It offers the natural look of wicker while ensuring durability and protection against the elements. No need to worry about chipping or fading over time. In addition, the lightweight plan and implicit handles make it simple to move around your open airspace.
Product review number 4.
East Oake Deck Box, 31-gallon indoor and outdoor storage box. Introducing the AST Oake Deck Box, the ultimate storage solution for all your outdoor needs. This 31-gallon deck box is made from upgraded resin material that ensures its durability and protects it from fading, making it perfect for any weather condition. Its waterproof and UV-resistant properties keep your belongings safe and dry, while the stylish gray color adds a touch of elegance to your patio or garden. Setting up the deck box is a breeze, because of the simple establishment process that requires no instruments or screws. Essentially snap the boards together, and you're all set in under 10 minutes. The box is not only functional but versatile too, with a 170-pound load capacity, making it suitable as a patio seat or table. Transporting the box is a cinch, thanks to the convenient handles on each side. You could lock the case for added security when you're in a hurry. With a limit breaking point of 31 gallons, you'll be floored at the sum you can fit inside, from patio cushions and outdoor toys to gardening tools and sports equipment. This deck box has got you covered.
Product review number 5.
Hummel 100-gallon large resin deck box waterproof outdoor storage. Introducing the Hummel 100-gallon large resin deck box, the perfect solution for all your outdoor storage needs. With its sleek black design and durable wrought-tan material, this deck box is not only functional but also adds a touch of elegance to your garden or patio. In terms of functionality, this deck box is truly impressive. Its all-weather, resistant polyester resin construction ensures that it can withstand harsh outdoor conditions, including fading, rusting, peeling, and bending. Along these lines, whether it's burning intensity or weighty downpour, you can trust this case to keep your possessions protected and dry. The box features a secure air rod mechanism on the sides, making it easy to open and close while preventing any accidental pinching. Installation is a breeze with the 6 resin plates and 2 air rods that come with the box. With only a couple of basic advances, you can gather it in a matter of moments. It's super practical large...
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product.